So what is this Git and GitHub? It's a version control system, and at times it's being shorthanded as WCS. What it is it's very similar to things like Dropbox and Google Drive. So places you can store images, photos, whatever you have from your phone, computer, and so on and so on. But that's more for the pictures and personal things, whereas Git and GitHub is mainly for developing. So web development, system development, and so on and so on. And it's also a place where people share their codes. Now this might sound weird, why do you want to share the code? Because if you share code, then others can use it, and development time is being shortened, and everything is faster, and everyone is happy. So a lot of people are sharing codes on GitHub, and once you actually develop enough skills, you should do the same. So give something back to all the people who already did previous works. Anyways, GitHub is also, we're also able to look into, for each file we upload, we can actually go into that specific file. So say into our index.html or a CSS file or whatever we're working with. And we can actually check from each version. So we have a version 1, version 2, version 3. We can actually see the difference from version 1 to 2 and which lines has been removed, which code have been added, and so on if we want to. So that's another thing about this GitHub that we can use it for. Other things is we can actually create branches. So having our master branch, which is called the primary one. And then we can also, if we're working more people on it, we can do collaborations. We can actually branch out, so go into another line of work where they can work on something like a add-on or a extra thing or a something for this web page you're doing, and then can later merge it back into this. So we can also collaborate on this, and this is really one of the big power things about GitHub. We can collaborate with others. And we'll get into that, how we actually do this. Traceable is also the thing we can actually see what we've done, so we can roll back if we did errors and so on and so on and so on. So GitHub really gives us a lot of possibilities, and it's dominating really a lot. A lot of companies are using it, and this is really something you should dive into. So making sure you upload your files when you're done working with it. If it works, then you push it to GitHub so it's up there, not only on your local drive, so other people can download it and continue working from them if you're working together, and so on. So that's what we're going to be looking into, and how we can actually use all the things that GitHub is.